So this is a parallelogram. So we know that opposite angles in a parallelogram are equal. So B is 75 degrees by the properties of a parallelogram. Okay, the 75 degree and A, all right, 75 degrees and A, they are interior angles U, so they add up to 180. So to find A, it's 180 minus 75. So A is 105 degree interior angles, and C is the same as A, because opposite angles in a parallelogram are equal. So by the properties of a parallelogram. Mela, we've got this shape. This looks like a rhombus, but it doesn't specify, so it can be a parallelogram as well. Okay, let's see. So we know that this is 115, and we know that opposite angles in a parallelogram or a rhombus are equal. So if this is 115, I can use angles on a straight line. They add up to 180. So for this one, we have 180 minus 115. 65 degrees. It's 65 degrees. So D is 65 degrees. We can use the fact that they are on a straight line. Angles on a straight line. Missile E. Now, since the two sides over here are parallel, I'm forming a U, interior angles, and interior angles also add up to 180. So this and this together add up to 180. So E is 180 minus 115. 65 degrees is near interior angles. Now this one. This is a trapezium. Let's write it down. This is a trapezium. But it's a particular trapezium. It's got one line of symmetry over here. Okay? So, basically, if this is 83, okay, to find this one, let's use interior angles. Let's start from there. Let's start with F. Okay? And the interior angles form what I U. Down, they add up to 180 degrees. So, to find F, it's 180 minus 83. That's 97 degrees, okay? So F is 97 degree interior angles. Okay, now F is the same as H because we have one line of symmetry, and G is equal to 83. So G is equal to 83 because there's one line of symmetry, and H is 97 degree because there's a line of symmetry as well. 4. We have a rectangle and there's a triangle over there. This triangle is particular. Why? It's a right angle triangle and an isosceles as well. Okay? So, what do we know? We know that if this is a right angle, this angle over here, which is the same as this angle over here, is 180 minus 90, okay, divided by 2. And that is 45 degrees. That's a special part. It's a particular triangle, okay? It's right angled and isosceles. The angles are always like that, 45, 45, and 90. Now, it's easy to find I because that is on a straight line. So I would be 180 minus 45. 135 degree, u l-reason ħatkun angle on a straight line, angle on a straight line, u J, issa, although attenti, this is not an angle on a straight line, we have a 90-degree angle there because this is a rectangle and the angle is 90 degrees. So to find J, it's 90 minus 45. That's 45 degrees. reason هتكون the angles in a rectangle are 90 degrees.